Alright, what's up Seekers? Hope you all are doing well. Thank you for tuning back into another video. I've traveled down to Sydney. I'm going to Unmarked Volume 3. It's going to be pretty cool. I've never been to one before. So yeah, I just thought I'd vlog it, take you guys along with me. I am very sick at the moment. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my voice and I'm super nasally, so I don't know if I'm going to wear this inside the event just because my nose is super runny. TMI, but yeah, I might just end up blurring my face and like bringing a box of tissues in with me because I am super sick today. But yeah, I'll keep my distance from everyone. Should be a good time, should be a good event. I think Nari is also down here as well, so I'll link up with him at some point. But yeah, just before we head down there, a little bit of awareness for some people that haven't been to this event or haven't even heard of it. It's hosted by Snow Foam Australia, which is like a car washing gear, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, their ultimate goal is to bring together enthusiasts, builders, creators, businesses who share the drive for automotive excellence and contribute to shaping Sydney into Australia's automotive hub. At Unmarked, we don't just showcase cars, we celebrate the relentless pursuit of greatness. So that's cool. I love it. I fuck with it. Yeah, should be a good time. I'm gonna just head down and see what it's about. See you guys down there. God, I feel like absolute shit. Huh, look, there's a Red Bull car there. Literally. I got one of these as well, just to give me some energy. Oh damn, is that like Snow Foam's car? Because the plate on it is literally like foam. Potentially. Would not be surprised.
Going down.
Ground.
Ground floor.
Gonna head up here to get a better view of everything. Oh, okay, so the venue's about to open officially, the general release. Everyone's coming outside. They're gonna do a flag drop. Should be pretty sick. But yeah, tons more people coming now. Oh damn, they're heading up to the rooftop. There's Ray at. See if we can spot Ray. Yeah, man, in the wild.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh no. Third time's the charm, eh? That's right. Just got back from getting some food and some medicine. I'm feeling pretty crappy still, but apparently I heard there's a cruise going on later this evening after the show's done. Finishes at around 9 p.m. and yeah, I have no idea about the details yet, but yeah, I'm gonna try to link up with some more people and see what the go is and see if I can tag along, get some shots. It'd be pretty cool to see these cars actually in motion and not just static at the show. So yeah, see you guys down there.
Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always finds his way back home, and it's so true. Make the home fall through and pop one. You know the motto, smoke something, drink something, pop one. Got your hand on my Glock while your ass ride shotgun. Hardest days, risk it every day. I know fucking ugly niggas just not fun.
Yo. Okay, cool. See my breath, it's so cold. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. We just finished up with the meet, finished the cruise as well. I thought I'd just chuck my my shit on and just do a quick outro for y'all, because that was pretty much the whole day. Apologies, I didn't talk too much when I was at the venue because it was pretty loud with a lot of music and it was pretty hard to actually hear me, I'm sure. But yeah, we'll leave it at that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a ton of fun. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.